You're severely, extremely lying on me, on my innocent sons. They were never beaten, cursed at. They was not squeezed tightly hard. They wasn't yelled at. They did not grow up with a mother on drugs, strung out on drugs. You are a severe, extreme liar. If they did play hide and seek, they were not getting cursed at. They were not getting yelled at. They can scream as loud and play as loud as they chose, as they are playing, when they were playing, if they were playing this specific game. You are evil, disgusting, a severe, sick, psychotic liar. I have read this thing. I keep all my sons and daughters' awards from school, report cards, things they make at school, explaining what they like. It does not matter. My innocent daughter was in pre-K kindergarten. It does not matter if she didn't come correct about her favorite food. At the time when she was writing, it was her favorite. Does not matter. You are a severe, extreme liar. She would not write down something hurtful to her as it being her favorite. But you know, because in this apartment, you tortured me, tormented me, listened to everything that I'm speaking to my innocent child, brutally raped her, sexually raped her, watched her naked as well. Everything, every aspect in this very apartment you have watched, made false videos because it's not disgusting like playing hide and seek. You are severely, extremely disgusting. You are disgusting. This letter, I did not write any letter last night. You are a severe, extreme liar. When I signed 2013, that is when I signed it and when I wrote it. Those are recordings that you thought were destroyed. But you know I still have the phone from these recordings. Rather, if the screen is broke, the screen can be fixed on it. These phones still come on severely and extremely. So you think you're destroying my the account from 2012 and 11 and 2013. You have not destroyed it. Because you know I still have the phone to it. You took it off because you don't want this nation to know that I'm aware of you in my life, suffering me, playing the recordings of you brutally controlling my arms and hands. You are a liar. And you hate how I raised my sons and daughters. You hate how they was not beat. You make them look like they was getting whooping to beat, yelped at. No, they was not. I was the only one physically being severely, extremely beat. They was not running around outside crazy either. Because when I moved into this place, I barely let them go outside. They had each other as their company. They were not naked either, you lying witch. Sure do. And I have left recordings and left them then in 2012 and 13. How you hate how I love my sons and daughters. You hate it. You hate how I raised them. You hate how I showed them love. You hate how what I instilled in them, how if they came told me something, the response I gave to it, the love and care you hate how I raise my sons and daughters. You make every year disgusting. Disgusting. You did not once play anything how it goes. You are sitting here torturing me, knowing that them engaging in a game was not disgusting, was not abuse. They did not get yelled at. You found it so extremely, severely cute, angrily cute. How if they did use me as their base, you really wish that we was in here doing something severely, extremely disgusting. You wish that if what I am saying, how angrily you are that they used me as their base, you wish that it was something so disgusting. You live out what you imagine, and you create what you imagine. Hearing them really laugh and being playful, having fun, you hate it. So you make, create, and bring to life your evil, disgusting imagination. I know you turned their laughter, their enjoyment into disgusting, nasty. You are evil. You are so sick, twisted, and psychotic. And I can only pray that someone discovers your natural brain and mind and how you function, how you work, how you live. Not this person that's sitting back just playing my life and so disgusted and shocked and amazed. A life that you are leading them to believe. And I am speaking from what you are making the nation believe. You are making them believe that you are playing my life and that you are shocked and amazed at all what you made, control, and set up. Even then, me saying that, you are lying, saying that I'm confessing to this being my life. And you don't need to go back to the first statement. You are hearing every last word that's coming out of my brain, out of my mouth.